Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on email tracking in Hubspot. First, go ahead and log into your Hubspot account. Now, once inside the dashboard, on the upper ribbon, go to Settings or click the gear icon. Once inside, scroll down until you see the Objects section. Now, click on the drop down, then scroll until you see Activities. So click on it. Once inside, go to Email Log and Track section. After that, find this section that says Allow all users to track emails and see recipients open and click on their emails. So go ahead and toggle it on and click on Save at the bottom. And there you have it. Your email tracking is now turned on. Now, you will be able to monitor when and how recipients interact with your emails. It helps you understand if your emails are being opened, clicked, or ignored so you can follow up at the right time. And that's just basically it. That's how you turn on email tracking in HubSpot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.